What's up, Striverz Money fam? Today we're uncovering the hidden secrets of how pro YouTubers make bank. If you've ever wondered how your favorite content creators rake in the dough, you're in for a treat. Stick around because we're revealing their money-making strategies and showing you how to cash in on the YouTube game. But first, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another money-making tip. Picture this: you're lounging on a beach, sipping on a pina colada, and your phone buzzes with notifications of thousands of dollars rolling in. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for successful YouTubers, it's just another day in paradise. But how do they do it? We're pulling back the curtain on their best-kept secrets. Let's start with a story about Jack. Jack started his YouTube channel as a hobby, uploading videos about his favorite video games. After a few years, Jack's channel blew up. Now he's rolling in cash, traveling the world, and living the life he always dreamed of. How did Jack go from a casual YouTuber to a pro money-making machine? Let's dive in and find out. Number 1. Ad revenue. The most well-known way YouTubers make money is through ad revenue. You've seen those pesky ads that pop up before, during, and after a video. Well, those ads put money in the YouTuber's pocket. Google AdSense pays based on a combination of views and clicks. The more videos and engagement your videos get, the more you can earn from ads. Number 2. Sponsorships. You know when your favorite YouTuber suddenly starts raving about a product or service? That's probably a sponsored video. Brands pay YouTubers to promote their products in exchange for a fee. Depending on the size of your audience, these fees can range from a few $100 to tens of thousands of dollars per video. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another big moneymaker for YouTubers. You promote a product or service, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. This strategy works best when you promote products that are relevant to your content and audience. Number 4. Merchandise. Once a YouTuber has a loyal following, they can start selling their own merchandise. This can include t-shirts, hoodies, hats, or any other product related to their brand. Selling merchandise not only generates income but also helps strengthen the bond between the YouTuber and their fans. Number 5. Online courses. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can create and sell online courses. Many YouTubers use platforms like Teachable or Kajabi to create and sell their courses, while others opt to build their own websites. Courses can sell from anywhere from $50 to $2,000 or more, depending on the subject matter and quality. Number 6. Patreon and memberships. As a YouTuber, you can set up a Patreon account or YouTube channel membership to receive monthly payments from your fans. In exchange, you offer exclusive content, live streams, or other perks to your supporters. This is a great way to generate consistent income as long as you're providing value to your paying fans. Number 7. Super Chat and Super Stickers. During live streams, viewers can use YouTube's Super Chat and Super Stickers to send you money. These features let viewers pay to have their messages or stickers stand out during a live chat. It's a fun way for fans to show their support and interact with you, while also putting some extra cash in your pocket. Number 8. YouTube Premium revenue. When YouTube Premium users watch your videos, you earn a share of their subscription fee. While this might not be the biggest source of income, it can still add up as your channel grows and attracts more premium viewers. Number 9. Licensing content. If you create unique or newsworthy content, media outlets might be interested in licensing your videos. This means they pay you for the rights to use your footage on their platform. Keep an eye out for opportunities to license your content. It can be a nice bonus when it happens. Number 10. Diversify your income streams. The most successful YouTubers don't rely on just one source of income. They diversify and create multiple revenue streams to ensure financial stability. This can include things like starting a podcast, writing a book, or launching a digital product. The key is to find additional ways to monetize your brand and audience. Here you got the top 10 ways pro YouTubers actually make money. If you're looking to turn your passion for creating videos into a full-time income, consider implementing some of these strategies. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is persistence, creativity, and always providing value to your audience. Now it's your turn to take action, and check out the related links in the description. And make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.